Alright, sit like how you're gonna sit during the
thing?
Yeah. Welcome, guys, to a new series idea here on Dill 504. It's a borrowed idea, but I thought, why not?
Don't
do it, because it's a good idea.
I'm gonna get slapped now, aren't I?
This is Eric Riccy, and we are doing the Do Not Laugh, Chuckle, anything that makes noise challenge, or else we get slapped. So
I'm gonna get slapped. You're
yeah,
gonna get slapped.
We'll start now. I don't know how that is. Oh.
Korea.
Some of these are terrifying. They're not funny.
Not at all. I'm more scared than anything.
What are we watching? I just laughed because I laughed at my own stuff. Oh god, what a start. I didn't even laugh at what was going on with the screen. It was some guy getting like whipping cream on him.
I'm gonna do it lightly. I'm gonna be nice. First one because it doesn't really count. There you go.
Okay, well that was like a karate chop to the side of the face.
There you go.
Try a big bite. Big bite, big bite.
There's a formula to these. Baby,
What do you think?
dog, cute things.
Pretty good?
I can just relate with them. I'm just like, this would be unfortunate. It'd be so bad.
Poor kid.
No more lemon?
Welcome to Australia. Don't do it. Don't do it. That guy could have lost his hand.
Avarayo, get out.
ये है आम जिंदगी.
That's the right way to do it.
कहाँ जा रहे हो? Sit down.
Into the room. Get laid.
ये है मेंटोस
Right.
जिंदगी.
Donkey dog. Donkey.
That's so bad. What are we watching?
Oh, this is gonna get bad. I've been on the internet a lot. I have to know where this is going.
Dolphins and the internet just don't mix.
No, dolphins and people.
I feel like this would be a lot funnier if we had sound.
Yeah, I think that's half our problem. I love how this guy just disappears though. Like it just zoop, and he's gone. Magicians, man. Just teleport away.
I think we're gonna just start afresh. Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new series here on Dill 504 that has been borrowed from another YouTube channel that I will definitely give credit to, Quinn Coconuts.
Twin coconuts.
Was the channel that originally I saw do this, so we thought, well, why not borrow the idea? It's pretty cool, and you also get to see Eric Riccy and I get slapped. Now, we're both Game Grump fans. We both find Game Grumps super funny, so we're gonna bring up Game Grump's funniest moments. Obviously, the video is gonna be included, and see if we laugh. All right, so here we go.
There you go. Full screen.
Hey, I'm Grump. I'm not so Grump.
Is it sad that I'm almost laughing at the intro?
Read the fucking text. It would. You would know. I don't read. Because you're trying to get me to read books in the middle. I'm trying to play Modern Warfare.
It's not Modern Warfare. This is
100 points. Care package. UAV.
Jesus Christ. I'm so bad at this!
Go up.
You are boned in the first minute. You are just eternally doomed to be slapped. I don't know if you should really consider this idea. You're just gonna get wrecked. I mean, it is funny, I agree, but like, I was just like, yeah, it's pretty funny, and you're like on the floor, and I'm like, oh no. Oh, Dylan.
I think I got to it till he shouted care package.
Yep.
That's what threw me in.
Care package destroyed. You got.
I got destroyed by a care package.
I'm gonna keep doing light slaps, okay? We're just gonna keep going like that.
Okay.
Can we just like that for the rest of the game? Just like that. Just.
You're so dumb.
I don't know this guy.
You're so dumb.
Okay, I bet if we played Ocarina, you'd be like, I wonder what's over there. And I'd be like, how can you don't know the exact bit? Shit, I'm having a stroke. God. I gotta go to your beer.
God damn it, John Tron.
Why don't you know it? Why don't you so dumb?
My favorite part is how the minute you laugh, I just smile, and then your laughter makes me even closer. I'm like, I'm about to laugh, and you're just already on the floor. I'm like, nah, it's okay.
John Tron.
It's good.
He just gets me.
Why don't you know the exact
Alright, where's Danny?
Hey, I'm Grumpy.
Oh my god! Oh shit, we gotta put that in.
Oh my god! Oh shit, we gotta put that in.
Oh, please don't.
Okay, go to here. Just put this on the screen. Go to continue show.
No, don't play music on our show!
We're gonna do it though.
No, don't.
It's already done.
Barry, don't do it.
Barry's already done it.
I don't remember
He already
this
did it.
No, you didn't.
gameplay, to be
It
honest.
doesn't.
It's for a
I'm
while
closer to
ago.
him than you. He did.
Look, Barry, don't do it.
Barry, let's show pictures.
You
Barry.
cannot fucking put
Barry,
music in our
Barry,
show!
dude, put Barry mouth animation on Barry. I'm very proud I did it. Oh, too late. Okay, we did it.
I hate you.
I'm not so gruff.
It's
Forward.
but I
Fucking. You fucking serious with that shit?
you cough.
I cough? I physically needed to cough.
I physically burp. There's air in me that needs to
No,
come
you're
out.
busy, you're
Hold on,
like-
hold on, stop. There's air in me.
The guy drops.
I have to press a button.
Why are you trying to get the fuck up here?
Alright, God, are you dumb?
What if this whole you look over and you realize this whole time I've just been fucking like I have like a helmet and I'm like, hey, maybe gonna play Mario? You know, like you just zooms in your eyes. You're like, I'm sorry. I don't. You actually are dumb. Okay. I don't want to look at this. It flashes back. to
Hashtag
when we signed all the
telephone.
papers to start the
Yeah,
channel.
should we pause?
Oh my god.
Or should we just keep rolling and just...
Keep rolling, we'll see. We'll see if it's for us. We're that popular.
Right? Sign the paper! Retard jokes! Gameplay drops! Retard joke. What a
God
delicate
damn it. I laughed at the most awful thing that could be said.
3 minutes in, and yeah, you lost to your own R jokes there. It's okay. We keep going.
Hey, I'm Gruff. I want to ask you
Oh, I
like
do
where that is, and people are like,
Good old
"Go,
Donkey Kong
you don't know
country."
anything
I
about
love
fucking geometry." It's like geometry. Good night, everybody. I gotta go home, pack my bags. See you
It's
later.
like in
Is it an island
no, it's like
in South
I
America?
think it's like northern South America.
Okay, so I was right about it. Not that that was hard to guess.
Well, no, what the fuck? I mean, there's only two places you can be from: South America or Spain.
Well, I don't know. She could be Mexico. That's North America.
What?
Mexico is in North America. She could be from Mexico.
Oh my god.
Or she could be Puerto
It's
Rican.
not fair, we have a third party that's causing me to almost...
Excuse me!
You didn't crack though.
It's South America! I'm gonna get so flamed.
It's South America!
4 minutes in. You have a 1 minute per laugh. It's okay, Dylan. You're doing great.
I was doing so good there for a minute.
Even through Patrick.
Oh my god, Mexico is practically South America, except it's everything but South America. In fact, it's North America.
What did I think of everything south of the states is South America?
What is Canada? North America?
Canada's American Union.
Represent.
Oh god, I have dug myself.
I just don't want to open my mouth because I'm going to make you laugh.
It's very true.
Oh boy, we're really good at geometry here.
we really perpetuate the stereotype of fucking stupid Americans. I do know a decent amount about geography.
Stupid North
But
Americans.
in general, Americans that I know don't know that much about geometry. Geometry! I'm not so gruff! Hey, I got farther than you usually do.
There's no platform.
Oh.
You just jump.
Okay, we're done with this piece of pile of shit, fucking stupid 8-bit Disneyland. Would have rather suck Cilarenda's clitoris.
Whoa! Whoa! Cilarenda? Okay, from now on,
You are doomed!
That's enough.
Yeah, that worked.
That's enough. I can't.
You can't. You just cannot.
So there we go. If you guys want to see more of that, leave a comment down below and like the video. If you don't, dislike it. And trust me, we won't do any more of this because I am a loser at this. We could also get different people, so hopefully we could do that sometime soon. Thank you guys all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.